Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Lake of the Woods local and long-distance movers near me. Are you looking to relocate? Are you in need of the best and most efficient movers in your community? If you are, 3 Movers is the right moving company for you. We are the most affordable local and long-distance movers in Lake of the Woods, AZ. We're reliable, efficient, and will have your belongings transported instantly. Do you want to discover why we're the most excellent choice for moving? Our moving bundles speak volumes. Our team is dependable, productive, and affordable, and we are the best for the job. When you trust us with your belongings, you'll have more time to focus on other aspects of the moving process that you might have overlooked. Even if it is within the same state, a move that is more than 50 miles is a long-distance move. An interstate move is when you relocate your belongings outside a state, while an intrastate move is when you move items within a single state. Hire our skilled movers for intrastate, interstate, and local moving services. We have a beautiful working relationship with the federal and municipal agencies in charge of all relocations. We have insurance agreements to protect the interests of our clientele. Our insurance packages cover liability risks both during and after the relocation of our clients' belongings. We have the most dedicated movers and motorists, and they are available to ensure that your belongings get to you in record time and in one piece. Our prices are moderate and affordable, and we will never take advantage of our clients as we are here because of our clients. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.